Are chiropractic adjustments safe? Describe the safety record. Well, for that, let's look at the malpractice insurance rates, since malpractice insurance rates indicate risk. Most doctors of chiropractic pay about 5 to 10% of what most medical doctors pay in malpractice insurance. Also, according to a recent study in the New England Journal of Medicine, 106,000 people per year die as a result of properly prescribed medications. In addition, with any surgery, there are obvious significant risks. There are millions of chiropractic adjustments being performed throughout the world each day, and any reported complications are very, very rare.